What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to limit the quantity of products that a customer can purchase on your shop made using WooCommerce WordPress plugin, okay? In a simple, fast, effective and free method. So imagine the following scenario. This happens on Amazon, for example. You only can purchase a product if you get 2 of them, okay? Or you have a limitator, okay? You only can purchase a maximum of 3 of these products. How to do this into your WordPress website for free is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. I'm gonna start assuming that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed, set up, and you already have made your products, okay? If you don't know how to do this, go to youtube.com and to the search field, search for Visual Model WooCommerce. You're gonna find our playlist full of WooCommerce plugin tutorials explaining you all about it, okay? After this, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to Search Plugins, there is a field where you can click and type min and max quantity for WooCommerce, and here is the guide that you are looking for. This one right here. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and as soon as we install the plugin, you're gonna be able to find it right here. We're gonna have 2 buttons, Deactivate and Settings. We're gonna click on Settings. This is gonna move us to a new menu that appears into your WordPress left sidebar next to products called Be Rocket, okay? Scroll down just a little bit and you're gonna be able to find the Hide Checkout button. You can do it or not, up to you, I don't know. Cart Products Quantity. We have a minimum and a maximum. So I just want to apply a maximum, okay? I want to limit this product quantity for 3, okay? So here is what I'm gonna set right here. And we can limit the maximum and minimum price. Prevent add to cart, full or limitators. Display on product pages errors only for this product. Fix errors, duplicate, okay? We're gonna hit the Save Change button. Changes are saved. Now let's go to our product so we can review it. I'm gonna open the product into this window. Now I would like to apply 4 of this product to my cart. I selected 4 and click on Add to Cart. Quantity of products in cart must be 3 or less. View cart. As you can see, there is an error, okay? So quantity must be 3 or less. We have 8. If I select 2, the error message disappears, okay? If I select 3 or 4, we go back to the product, because we cannot have that much product on our cart. Simple, easy and very effective. And of course we can do the same in the case that we want to apply a minimum quantity. So to purchase this product you must buy 2 or more. You can use the same logic, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site with Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, themes, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!